Today we are going to see another one of Swiss Arabian Attars, which I really love and enjoyed, wearing, and I think you will too. So it is basically a light scent, rose-based scent, and this is called Jawad. So this is the box. I really love this box. It's very shiny and it has some leaves and engravings on it. And if you move your hands over it, you are going to really enjoy the engravings. So they are a bit of like you can say a bit engraved kind of feeling. So let's open this box. I can smell it from outside because it's a concentrated oil. It comes in 15 ml, and I have already sampled and enjoyed these scents, so that is why I have ordered it. They sent me this one and I purchased it from the USA website. So here we have it. Here is a small booklet which we always get from Swiss Arabian, so that is nice. So this one, now I'm going to get the bottle out of it, and here is the bottle. So this is the bottle. I'm going to show it to you. Let's see if you can view this. So this is the bottle. This is very heavy. It doesn't feel like a plastic in your hand. It feels like you have metal bottle. So I'm not sure whether it's metal or I feel something very heavy. So I'm not sure whether it's metal or it's plastic, but it feels very heavy. So we have green engravings over here. Then we have green diamonds kind of things on this bottle. Really love this bottle's presentation. And now I'm going to open it. Thank God this one doesn't have this plastic wrapping, so we can easily open it. So this is the juice. It is very clean. You can see over here. This is concentrated oil. You can apply it just like this, and it comes in 15 ml, and it's beautiful. So first off, when you smell this one, you are going to have some aldehydes, which are basically chemicals that are used to tone down the rose. So if you smell any rose, they have very you can say a bit heavier smell. So to make that smell a bit lighter, aldehydes are used, and this one you can say is using it perfectly. So we have rose, mostly rose, and I'm going to list down all the notes in here, but I don't feel or get the vibes of all those notes. I mostly get a little bit of saffron, rose, and aldehydes. These are the main three things I can get from here. So it is very uplifting, very you can say breezy kind of rose, and it is not very heavy, or you can say sillage is not too great, so it is not going to leave a trail behind you of this scent. But if you are a doctor, you are a teacher, or in a profession where you have to meet a lot of people and you don't want them to be offended by your perfume or your smell, whatever you are wearing, so I suggest that you should buy this one. So you should wear this one. It is going to become a skin scent after like 2 or 3 hours, and it is very pretty. So if you go very close to someone, like someone goes like this to your body, they are going to sense it. Otherwise nobody around you is going to notice it. So for me, I think I really love wearing it because my wife, she really loves it. She's mostly allergic to a lot of perfumes and scents. My whole family, my kids, they have asthma. So I really enjoyed this one. So this is Jawad by Swiss Arabian. Sillage is not very great. It is going to become a skin scent. And longevity, I think it is not going to last like Musk Malaki or Mushk Malaki. It is going to last like 5 to 6 hours, I think, maybe more than that on your skin. But if you want to sense the smell that I am wearing something, it is going to last, I think, 4 to 6 hours, no more than that. Okay, so if you are into a profession where you don't want others to, get offended by your perfume or scent, this is the one you should buy. I really love this one. Try to get the sample from Swiss Arabian website, and I hope that you are really going to love it. I will put it into a category of mass pleasing perfumes or scents. Um, Others are not going to compliment you that this is a great scent, what are you wearing, but it is a very nice uplifting scent that is going to calm your anxiety or depression or whatever you are having, your stress. It is going to lower your stress. So I am a patient of anxiety and a little bit of depression or stress because my job is like that. So I really enjoy wearing this one. So I really recommend Jawad from Swiss Arabian, and I hope that you are also going to love it. There are a lot of notes on their website, but I mainly get rose, saffron, aldehydes, a little bit of citrus, not too much, and few other spices. It is not a spicy scent. It is mainly I will describe it a light breeze of rose. So this is all about this scent. If you want to buy it, it is going to be like a light breeze of rose. That is all about this scent. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will really love to review more about these perfumes and different scents that are uplifting, that are calming, that are sensual, that have good effect on your soul and your body. So that is all. I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, take care and bye.